spiritual, Gandhara. And then the tight dress were used to drap the icon. Tight dress दिखाया जाता था. And then here it is in showing like this in the some tight the dress to show the drapes. And then I said that this school was, I said that patronized by Kushanas. And this school was influenced by the three religions. ये तो आपको पता होगा, Buddhism, Jainism, and then Gandhara, it is in Buddhism, and then it is in what? Amravati, Buddhism, and thoda sa wahan pe Jainism is also there. Buddhism is also there. So I said that Jainism, Buddhism, and Brahmanism, the are all depicted to the what is in the form of Abhay Mudra. The right hand, jitne bhi god and goddesses and all it is, I said that it has been formed here. It is in which mudra? Abhay Mudra. It is in the form of protection. I protect you. And major centers of Mathura, nearby there is a Sonk and Kankali Tila, which I said that Kankali Tila, and all are nearby Mathura. And then आपने मथुरा, आपने क्या किया? मथना मीन्स क्या है? Churning something. And when you are churning, then क्या हो गया? Churn करके आपने सारा कुछ वहां से खून निकल गया, उसके में से क्या बच गया? एंड आप में से सारा कुछ सोख लिया जाएगा, क्या बचेगा? कंकाली तिला. Yes. So which are the things nearby Mathura school? I said that Mathura, Sonk, and Kankali Tila. So we have seen that Mathura. Yes, tell me about Mathura. And then these are the maze question also. I said that which are in the Mathura? It is patronized by Kushana. And the red sandstone is very much important. Spotted red sandstone. And then we have seen there is no spirituality. And the drafts are made with the tightness. Yes. And which are the three religion has been what is shown here? Yes, Buddhism, Jainism, and समझ में आ रहा है ना? Why? It is in the indigenous art. It is an indigenous school, and therefore it has been able to support also Buddhism. It is also supporting Jainism. It is also supporting Brahmanical. Understood? But if you go Satvana side, there is a Buddhism supporting, and another side I said that Gandhara Buddhism. Understood it? And then right hands will be always there. It is in the form of Abhay Mudra. And which are the reasons nearby in the form of Mathura school? Mathura, Sonk, and Kankali Tila. Yes. And then we are seeing that Amravati school. Which school I said that? And then you know that it is in which I said that influence of Pallava, Satvana and Pallava. लिख लेंगे वहां पर Satvana. ये दिख रहा है ना आपको? स्कूल वाज पैट्रोनाइज्ड बाय, मैंने सोचा नहीं लिखा. क्या? So I said that it is आपको पता है ना 380 to 900 AD who is there? Pallava. याद है ना? 380 to 900 AD, and the picture I have drawn like this. And when I have drawn the picture like this, तो आपको याद होगा if in the India, I said that, perhaps you remember there is and there I said that is in a Chalukyas, and then coming up later on Cholas, and there is a Chalukyas and there is a Chalukyas of Vengi. Understood? So I said that हमने क्या बोला? Influence of Pallava sculpture is evident along with the Satvanas, and थोड़े से period के लिए आए थे Ikshvaku, though that will do in the ancient history. It is developed and flourished in the Krishna and Godavari, and then use of which stone? White marble. And in the architecture, when the white marble came into existence? When the white marble came into existence? Jahangir. Yes or not? Pietra Jahangir. Understood it? And then I said that white marble was prevalent in this school, and it was a narrative art depicting stories, while the theme was mainly. So which theme is there? Gandhara has which theme? Buddhism, and then Mathura, Jainism, Buddhism, Brahmanical. Understood it? And the school was patronized by Satavahanas, Ikshvaku, and a little bit you can say that Pallava also. Major centers were Nagarjun, Konda. Which one I said that? Nagarjun, Konda, Goli, and Ghantasala. नहीं समझ में आ गया? याद हो गया? Which I said that? Nagarjun, yes, गोली, and नॉर्थ में क्या बोलते हैं? घंटा. That is some the word is coming. That there is nothing is there. The घंटा. So लोग बड़े हो जाते हैं तो बचपन में दिखाते हैं ठेंगा. In the kids they are saying, and then बड़े हो जाते हैं तो what is converted in the form of ऐसे ही somebody is trying to make some fake and ऐसे ही घंटा बोल रहा है. Something like this, घंटा साला. So you can see what is there. Krishna, so Guntur in Krishna district. So which are the three Amravati school art has been grown nearby? I said that Nagarjun Konda, and then Goli, and then I said that Krishna district mein there is a Ghanta Sala. Understood it? Some nearby. Kakinada, Eluru, Khammam, Krishna, and then yahi pe Guntur it is there, Krishna and also. So which are the things we have seen about? Yes, tell me. In the which art is this Amravati school? And then Amravati school, it is, and I said that it is it has also spirituality. It has a spirituality, and then we have talked about. Yes, tell me another point. Spirituality, it is not there. Spirituality, and another point I said that it is using white marble, and then they have I said that flourished along the Krishna and Godavari delta. You must be knowing, and then I said that famous growing regions are. Just tell me. Nagarjun, Gonda, Goli and Ghantasala. And the Mathura, where they have grown? Mathura? कहाँ पे ग्रो किया है? मथुरा. मथुरा, सोंक, कंकाली तिला. मथुरा, सोंक, कंकाली तिला. Understood it? And now we have to do Jain and Buddhist sculpture. Thereafter it will get finished. Sculpture, Indian sculpture. I said that which one we are seeing? Jain sculpture. Very clear? Jain sculptures can be found both where it is only in the North India or it is also in the South India. And South India में what we can say that? In the Mandya and Hassan district के पास आप क्या देखेंगे? श्रवण बेलगोला. And वहाँ पे कौन सा statue? Gomteshwara. Which one I said that? Gomteshwara. It is not only the Jaina, it is in the north, but it is also in the south. And then we can be able to see that Jain, abhi Jainas are very much, it is trying to say that जहाँ पे भी कुछ मिल जाए, anybody is nude means Jaina. And Adinath, and then Rishabh Dev, it has been, what is it? He has left all the cloths and all. So there is two things, there is Setambar and Digambra. And then जहाँ पे भी कोई nude मिल गया, it means who is there? So it belongs to Jain. It belongs to, देखो यहाँ पे. Then I said that figures found in some of the stills from Mohenjo-daro and also a male torso from the Harappa are similar to Jinnah images. And however, it is difficult to say anything with certainty. But there is a chances we can say that it is which one? Jinnah. That who has achieved Niru. It is in a Kavalya. Understood? So when you have been able to what is in a Kavalya, that becomes your what is in a Jinnah. And then I said that the Jain depicts the Tirthankara in a seated or standing meditative posture. Often spirits and attendants who guard the Tirthankara and also shown with them. So जब भी तीर्थंकारा के साथ में क्या दिखाया गया है? Some people are those spirits who guard the Tirthankaras. Who guard the some spirits. Tirthankara के साथ में they are what is depict the Tirthankara in the seated or standing form, and there will be is guiding him, making him to give the knowledge that you do. There is a spirits. Understood? So I said that often spirits के साथ picture दिखाया गया who guard the Tirthankaras and all. So which is I said that Jaina? Tell me first. हमने क्या देखा Jaina में? I said that male torso we have seen Mohenjo-daro and all. It is considered to be in a what similar to Jinnah images. There is in a what naked and nude, and then thereafter Jaina depicts the Tirthankara seated or standing meditative. It is all by spirit. It is always guarded by spirits. And then earliest non-Jinnah image preserved in Patna Museum comes from न्यूड, आपको याद है ना, मेल न्यूड फिगर, मेल न्यूड figure, that is in a Patna Lohanipur, and then is a debate to the 3rd century BC. That is, and I said that, and that time Mauryan period का समय का Jaina. So which are that we have seen? आपको याद होगा Yaksh. It is in a Parkham, that is in a Mathura, and thereafter we have seen Yakshini, and that is Didarganj Patna, and then male nude figure. It is what I said that Lohanipur near Patna. Understood it? Then we have seen the terracotta Jina figure of the 3rd century BC is also reportedly from the Ayodhya. And again, which are that making him that it is related to Jainas. Male torso of IVC, male torso of IVC, it is in a Jina. Another I said that, which figure I said that? Lohanipur male nude figure of Patna nearby this, and then nearby Ayodhya there is also terracotta of similar feature. It is in a non features that is in a belongs to Jina. So Jina exists up to this, and then 2 of the early bronze images of Parshvanath can also be found. Bronze image, and then just before Mahavira, who was there? Parshvanath. 23rd Tirthankara was Parshvanath. Understood? So we have seen, like I said, yes, tell me. अभी हम लोगों ने क्या देखा? Only we are saying that where the Jaina, what is in some images is there, then the Jains are there in the form of Jina and all, and then we have seen in the form of her IVC में कहाँ पे देखा? Male torso. Understood? And then we have seen able to see Tirthankara के साथ में क्या sculpture इस साथ में क्या मिला? There is some spiritual garden thing, and then Patna के पास male nude figure at Lohanipur, and thereafter we have seen nearby Ayodhya terracottas. Yes or no? So, and the bronze images of Parshvanath can also be found. Thereafter I said that Gupta Jaina sculptures are Guptas. Which one I said that? अभी तक हम लोगों ने किसके बारे में बात किया? IVC and Mauryas. What we have talked about? IVC and IVC में कौन सा था? Torso, male torso. And then in the I said that Mauryan में क्या देखा हमने? 300 BC में male nude figure at Lohanipur, and then nearby Ayodhya that terracotta figurine, and also we have seen some bronze made Parshvanath. Then we have seen the Gupta Jaina sculptures are reported from the several sites: Mathura, Rajgir, Kahom, Nachna, and in the Vidisha that I said that Durjanpur, Varanasi, Chausa, Akota. याद करो. Yes. I said that Mathura. Where this and I said that? Again I said, ध्यान से यहाँ पे देख ले. Jaina Gupta's Jaina sculptures are what is it? Reported from the several sites. From which several sites we have been able to see? यहाँ से ध्यान से देखे. I said that मथुरा, वाराणसी, गोरखपुर के पास Kahom, Mathura, Varanasi, Kahom, and then I said that Rajgir, and then there is a nearby there is a Buxar. So which are the 5 I said that? Mathura, Rajgir, Gorakhpur ke nearby Gorakhpur, Kahom, and then I said that yes, Rajgir and then Buxar. ये clear हो गया. And then I said that in the Nachna, and then I said that Vidisha में Durjanpur, Nachna Kathura, याद है ना, Parvati temple, and then Nachna, and then I said that there is I said that Vidisha, Durjanpur, and then we have seen Akota, that is in the region of what? Vadodara. Understood? So which are the sculptures in the Gupta's days has been found? Yes, and it is very much important. I said Mathura, Varanasi, Kahom, Rajgir, Buxar, Nachna, which one I said? Vidisha, Durjanpur, and Akota. Understood it? And thereafter I said that the images of Rishabh, which are the I said that Rishabhnath. Who is the Rishabhnath? First, and he is also known as Adinath. And I said that Rishabnath, Ajitnath, and then Chandraprabha, not Kandaprabha, Chandraprabha and Pushpanath, Neminath, Parshvanath, Mahavira. ये तो आपको पता ही होगा, Parshvanath, Mahavira. These are the carved during the Gupta's period. They are carved during. So याद हो गया, which are I said that? ऋषभनाथ, ये तो फर्स्ट है, सबको पता है. Ajitnath, Chandraprabha, which I said that, and then Pushpa Danta, which one I said that? Nemi Nath. So I said that Ajitnath, which one I said that? Ajitnath. Ajitnath, where I said that? Ajitnath Chandraprabha. और जो अजय होगा, अजित होगा, उसी को कौन मिलेगा? चांद मिलेगा. और साथ में पुष्प. और and at the same time what you will also getting? Naam. Yes or not? You will also getting famous. So Ajit portion, Ajit kind of, I said that Ajitnath, Chandraprabha, Ajitnath, Chandraprabha, Pushpa, Danta, and then I said that Neminath. That you can easily remember. And the first one is an Rishabnath, and last two are is in a Parshvanath, and I said that Mahavira. So yes, which are the 7 I have